WorkXpress is not only the easiest platform as a service to build applications in, but it also allows you to build the most sophisticated applications without programming. Let's log in and see. This is a brand new application that we're logging into, and it's asking us to set up some basic things about it. We'll give it a background. We'll go with a tabbed menu system. And there we have our new application. And it's kind of prompting us because it knows some things that we might want to do to get started. But let's go ahead and take a look at the index. We can build web forms, we can build database structure, we can build automations and calculation, we can add security and auditing, reporting and dashboards, and many other tools for data imports, and et cetera, et cetera. So if we take a look here, let's try something new. It says choose a type of table. We'll just build a new one from scratch. Give it a name. Call this accounts. We'll give it an icon. Let's say this. And we need to give the title field a name. This will be our first field, and it'll be the title field for each record. We'll call it account name. And where do we want to find our accounts? Let's give them their own tab. Let's name the tab. We'll call it accounts. And let's decide how we want to search, view, edit, and add account records. Best for beginners is just a simple one-page search screen, but there's more advanced options and master detail, and even we can customize far beyond that. So there's our first tab, accounts, and our search list, and we can track something new. We can add fields to this form. We can do a lot of other things that are pretty common right now. But for starters, I'm going to click on the Build Web Forms, and you'll see icons appear in the interface. These are drop points for forms and fields. I'm going to add a new field to our search list. I'm going to choose the best for beginner option, create a new field. Let's just make a simple text field for now. And we'll associate that with the account table. Let's call it description. And it says, congratulations, our field is ready. Click Finish to continue. We can review all the different sorts of settings and features of this particular field type, but we'll just add it. And there it is. So our first record says this is a sample record and a description. Let's save that. Let's add a second record. And there we have a simple tracking tool. There's so much more we can do. Again, we can go into building web forms, track something new. We can add new forms to our page. What types of forms can I create? Many different types of forms. Grids, lists, calendars, choosers, tabs. Very easy. If we wanted to add things to the list, we just click down. We say, for example, we want to create a field grid, and it'll take us through setting up a new field grid. It says, where do you want to locate that field grid? For example, we might put it here on this page, but I'm going to cancel that wizard. Similarly, we can go in and build database structure, and we can see the layers change up here to show us the table definitions of the elements of our screen. But we can create a table, we can create fields, define relationships, many different ways to add, edit, and delete records and relationships, etc. We can add automation, and you'll notice that the layer up here changes to show us where the security layers are and where the action automations are. All different sorts of things we can do here. For example, we can calculate numbers, sum numbers on related items, find minimum, maximum values, and so much more. We can add security and auditing, such as restricting access to forms, restricting access to fields. redacting values, etc., etc. And we can generate reports. So this is obviously a very quick, very simple example, but be sure to check out the video that shows you examples of finished applications in WorkXpress and where you can go using all these tools that I've just shown you. Thank you.